Form first semester. Pharmaceutical analysis. Question number 1. Describe the term normality. Normality is defined as the number of grams equivalent of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. जब भी लिखेंगे फार्मूले के साथ लिखेंगे. Normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in liter. Differentiate between accuracy and precision. Accuracy and precision. Accuracy is closeness with the true value of the quantity being measured. Precision is a measure of the reproducibility of the measurement. Accuracy. Measurement can be accurate but not necessarily precise. Precision. Measurement can be precise but not necessarily accurate. Accuracy. It can be determined with a single measurement. Precision. It needs several measurements to be determined. Accuracy may be determined with a single measurement. Precision may be affected with random error. Accurate value have to be precise in most cases. Precise value may or may not be accurate. Degree of conformity. Degree of reproducibility. Discuss the role of indicator in titration. The role of indicator is to mostly find out the point of equivalence when two particular solutions have reached the point of neutralization. It should be noted that an indicator can be both external and internal indicator mixed with reactant, provided with visual difference, whereas an internal indicator provides with electrochemical apparatus. Explain acid and base as per Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius acid increase the concentration of hydrogen ion in an aqueous solution. Example देख लीजिए. Arrhenius base increase the concentration of hydroxy ions in an aqueous solution. Example यहाँ पे है. Define limit test. Limit tests are quantitative or semi-quantitative tests designed to identify and control small quantities of impurities which are likely to be present in the substance. Test being used to identify the impurities. Test being used to control the impurities. Define principle of gravimetric analysis. Principle of gravimetry analysis. Gravimetric analysis is a method in analytical chemistry to determine the quantity of analyte based on the mass of a solid. The principle behind the gravimetric analysis is that the mass of an ion in a pure compound can be determined later, used to find the mass percent of the same ion in a no quantity of an impure compound. Explore the term dichrometry. Dichrometry refers to a type of redox titration where potassium dichromate act as the strong oxidizing agent, typically in an acidic solution, to determine the concentration of reducing substance like ferrous ion or iodide signaled by an orange to green color change as dichromate reduced to chromine ion with indicators like diphenylamine sulfonate used for sharp end point. Write the principle of polarography. The principle in polarography is that a gradually increasing negative potential is applied between a polarizable and non-polarizable electrode or the corresponding current is recorded from the current voltage curve, qualitative and quantitative analysis can be performed. This technique is called a polarography. What do you mean by electrochemical method of analysis? An electrochemical method of analysis uses electrical properties like potential or current to study and quantify substance in a sample, leveraging the relationship between chemical reaction and electricity. Define metal ion indicator with suitable example. It is a substance that changes color when it binds to metal ion in solution. Example: Erichrome black, Mureoxide, Gyllenol orange, Pyridinothol.